Welcome to our review of the Naturehike Village Camping Tent. This spacious tent is perfect for family camping trips and outdoor adventures. With its automatic structure and pre-attached poles, this tent sets up in just 60 seconds. No camping experience needed. The easy setup design saves time and makes it friendly for everyone. The Naturehike Village Camping Tent features 150 DTI black technology fabric with UPF 12,500 plus protection, blocking 99.9% of harmful UV rays. This fabric provides better heat insulation than silver-coated fabric and is much lighter than ordinary blackout fabric. This four-season tent is designed with a snow skirt for windproof and snowproof protection, making it suitable for all seasons and weather conditions. The double-wall design allows for good ventilation and temperature regulation. The tent features a vestibule and canopy design, providing additional space for outdoor activities with family and friends. The large interior space allows for comfortable headroom, and the mesh windows provide great ventilation and vision. Get your Naturehike Village camping tent today and experience the freedom of camping with ease and comfort. Perfect for family camping trips, outdoor adventures, and more. Order now and enjoy the great outdoors with your loved ones. With its innovative design, durable materials, and excellent ventilation, this tent is sure to be a favorite for years to come. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to learn more about this tent and other great camping gear. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about the Naturehike Village Camping Tent or would like to purchase one, check out the links in the description below. Get your Naturehike Village Camping Tent today and start planning your next camping adventure. With its spacious interior, easy setup, and durable design, this tent is perfect for any outdoor enthusiast.